acknowledges. Clear launch.
How many Chinese and Russian satellites do you think are up there looking?
5 minutes.
Ooh, T-minus.
Ooh, okay.
Nice.
Mark and counting.
Okay.
MCO. Transfer GPS and telemetry to vessel power. MCO proceeding.
What are they doing?
MCO GPS and telemetry on missile power.
Really? Yeah. 7 minutes.
Item 121. RCO. TMO. Perform final go, no-go evaluation. RCO proceeding. TMO. Item 122. MCO. Transfer destruct to missile power. MCO proceeding.
It was still really cool, but I feel like this is
MCO. Destruct on missile power. Item 123. MCO. Terminate GPS. Destruct and telemetry ground power. MCO proceeding. 24. MISCO. Confirm ready for arming of destruct system. All stations. Status alert green. Stand by for terminal count.
All right.
Item 132. Launch closure door open.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Item 133. First phase ignition to missile.
What is that?
That's it.
Item 134. TMO. Roll maneuver number 1 complete.
Wow.
That's it. Oh, wow. Oh, my God.
Wow.
Item 135. Roll maneuver number 2 complete. Item 136 in progress.
Is that flash?
Yeah, remove the first stage, I guess. There it is.
There it goes. So that's you see the first stage?
Yeah.
Cumberland.